Hello everyone. We congratulate you for preparing for one of the most prestigious design institutions in India, the National Institute of Design. Let us look at the admission procedure for the B.Des and the M.Des programs for NID for the year 2023-24. The National Institute of Design at Ahmedabad, with its extension campuses at Gandhinagar and Bangalore, is an institute of national importance as per the NID Act 2014, as well as an autonomous institute under the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. The courses offered at NID are 4 years Bachelor's of Design program and 2.5 years Masters of Design program. The B.Des program is offered at Ahmedabad, Vijayawada, Kurukshetra, Bhopal and Jorhat. The Masters of Design program is offered at Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar and Bangalore. The seat distribution and the number of seats for the B.Des program is as follows. The total number of seats for the B.Des program is 425. There are 19 seats at Ahmedabad campus and 11 seats at Bhopal campus for overseas foreign nationals. There are 19 M.Des programs at NID. Here is discipline-wise distribution of seats for the M.Des programs. The total number of seats for the Masters of Design program is 347. The category-wise distribution of seats for the Masters of Design program is as follows. We now look at the eligibility criteria for the B.Des program. Educational qualification. You should have either passed or you should be appearing for your grade 12 exam in any stream, science, arts, commerce, etc. from any recognized board of education such as CBSE, IB, ICSE or equivalent. The age limit for general category foreign nationals, OBC, NCL, SC and ST category and PWD category is as follows. Foreign citizens candidates holding citizenship of any country other than the Republic of India are eligible to apply only under the overseas supernumerancy category. The eligibility criteria for the Masters of Design is as follows. Educational qualification. You need a bachelor's degree of minimum 3 to 4 years in any specialization after grade 12 or equivalent to grade 12 from any university, institute recognized by law in India. Or you need a full-time diploma of minimum 4 years in design, fine arts, architecture, applied arts after grade 12 or equivalent to grade 12 from any university, institute recognized by law in India. The age limit born on or after 1st July 1993 for general category, OBC, NCL, SC, ST and PWD category is as follows. Admissions to all the programs at NID is based on the candidate's performance in the 2 stages of design aptitude test called the DAT. The first one is DAT prelims followed by DAT mains. The objective of these exams is to assess the knowledge, skills and the behavioral abilities of the candidate. Now closely look at the exam pattern and weightage for the NID Entrance Exam 2023-24. The DAT prelims paper pattern for the B.Des program is as follows. It will be a written paper. The duration will be 3 hours. The paper will have 2 parts. Part 1 is General Ability Test called GAT. The weightage will be 40%. You will have multiple choice questions in this section. Part 2 will be Design Aptitude Test called DAT. The weightage will be 60%. You will have drawing and design based questions in this section. Total marks for the written test DAT prelims is 100. The language of question paper is English and you will have objective type meaning multiple choice questions for part A which is GAT and subjective that means you have to draw in the DAT part of the paper. The DAT prelims paper pattern for M.Des is as follows. The mode of the exam will be written. You will have 2 hours 30 minutes if you are applying for one discipline and 4 hours 30 minutes if you are applying for 2 disciplines. In case you are applying for only one discipline, you will have paper 1 as common design aptitude test for 30 minutes and paper 2 will be discipline wise and it will be for 2 hours. In case you are applying for 2 discipline, you will have another paper which will be also discipline wise for additional 2 hours, making it 4 hours 30 minutes if you are applying for 2 disciplines. The total marks are 100. Language of the question paper is English and the type of questions will be objective for the common design aptitude test and subjective for the discipline wise paper 2 and paper 3. After qualifying for DAT prelims, candidates are called for DAT mains, popularly known as the studio test. For B.Des, you will have questions related to doodling, hands-on model making, drawing, sketching, audio-visual perception test and intra-personal test. For M.Des, you will have an online submission of statement of purpose called SOP with digital portfolio sample of works. You will have an online interview and the studio test will be conducted separately for different disciplines at the NID campuses where the program is offered. It comprises of various activities such as hands-on model making, drawing, sketching, audio-visual perception, test, etc. Let us now look at the important dates for the NID entrance exam 23-24. The application form is already available online. The last date for submitting the application is 16th December 2022. Submission of application with late fee is from 16th December to 19th December 2022. You can download the admit card for DAT prelims on 30th December 2022 and design aptitude test. The prelims exam will be held on Sunday, 8th of January 2023. So how do we apply for the NID entrance exam 23-24? You will be required to visit the official admissions website admissions.nid.edu and follow the steps as follows. Step 1. Sign up and registration. Candidates are required to register, sign up online by selecting program of study, nationality and category before proceeding to fill the application form. Candidate must provide a valid email address and an active mobile number. Since this email address and mobile number will be used for all further communications with the candidate will receive an OTP on the registered email ID and mobile number for validation. The name of the candidate, program applied in, date of birth, registered email ID and registered mobile number cannot be changed at any stage. Please make a note of that. Candidates are advised to check their email and SMS on a regular basis for any important communication made by the admissions cell via email admissions@nid.edu or nid@applyadmission.net. After registration, login credentials will be sent via an email to the registered email address. Do remember to check your spam or junk folders in case you do not find the email in your inbox. Step 2. Filling in the online application form. Log in and fill in all required details. The candidates can modify the details filled in the application form except the program applied in, name of the candidate, date of birth, registered mobile number and registered email ID. They can do it at the time when window to edit opens. In case the candidate changes his/her applied category during the window to edit period, the applicable additional application form fee will have to be paid by the candidate. However, no refund of excess fees will be made in case any category is changed. After filling all details, click Save and Proceed. To go to the next section, Upload Document. Click Save and Exit to complete the form at a later time or date. Step 3. Uploading your documents and signature. Upload a colored scan copy of recent passport size photograph as per the instructions. The photograph must be in JPEG format, should be in minimum 75 KB and maximum 100 KB in size. It must be a colored photograph taken at a professional studio. Photographs with self-composed portraits will not be accepted. Upload your scanned signature as per the instructions. All signature files must be in JPEG format and should be of minimum 75 KB and maximum 100 KB in size. You should have your signature digitally photographed or scanned and cropped to the required size. Candidates applying under the reserved categories will have to upload their valid certificate issued by the competent authority on or after 1st April 2022. Candidates should refer to the certificate format available on the NID official website. Candidates applying under the overseas category are required to upload the first and last page of their valid passport in JPEG format, clearly showing all of their personal information. The certificate must be in PDF format and should be of maximum 2 MB in size. Click Save and Proceed to go to the next section to pay application fee. Step 4. Paying application fee and print. Category-wise application fees for academic year 23-24 are as under. Application fee is neither refundable nor transferable. The fees for the application can be paid only through debit or credit card. You will be directed to the payment gateway. After completing the payment process, you will be redirected to the print section where you can save and print a copy of your application form, which would be done only after successful payment of the application fee is done. The approximate number of candidates sitting for the NID entrance exam for the B.Des program is roughly 22,000. The number of candidates shortlisted will be no less than 3 times in each category applied by the student. The NID entrance exam will be conducted across 22 cities. Have a look at them. The right coaching team and the aspirant can be a winning combination for making it easily to the NID merit list. BRDS is the pit stop for cracking the NID DAT exams. Bhanwar Rathore Design Studio is the leader in NID entrance coaching and has shown remarkable performance every year since its inception. Since all these years, a majority of NID students have been trained under the excellent pedagogy of BRDS. Since its inception in 2005 till date, 1640 BRDS students have joined NID. Last year, a total of 195 BRDS students secured admission at NID. 142 BRDS students got selected at NID in B.Des program and 53 BRDS students got selected for the M.Des program. All India rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in NID are from BRDS. 92 students are in the top 100. This is the greatest selection record as compared to any coaching institute in India. Make sure to pursue our preparation course today and clear the entrance exam with flying colors. For more details, call on 98250 57598 or log on to www.rathoredesign.com. Wish you all the best in your pursuit to to the most prestigious design institute in the country, NID.